Okay guys, here's your assignment description for assignment number 2. We're going to build a program that'll tell you the first and last name of everybody in your company. And there you go. I want you guys to do at least 5 names, preferably 10. And here is how my code works, and you do not have to code it the same way. I have my function up here. First name is declared as a string, last name is declared as a string, obviously. And then the cout is the first name, the last name, and then the end line. That way there's that space and they're not all. Let me run it again. If it wasn't for the end line, you guys know that the next name would be right here instead of jumping to the next line. So let me see what else. The function is called 3 times with all 3 of my employees' names, and that, that's why it runs through the same function 3 different times. Because remember, the whole point of the function is that you can reuse it. Notice when I ran it, press enter for the first and last name. We're going to start doing this all the time because we've been running it and the data just bam there. I like having to, having people be able to initiate it, and it is very simple. This cn.get, that's all you need. So C++ reads from top to bottom. So the function runs, press enter for first and last name, pops up in our black box, and then you have to hit enter. That's what this does, and then the functions run. If you wanted to, you could put this in between each, and the names would pop up one at a time. Or what would be even better than that, what I would love to see you guys try to do, but don't get frustrated. If you can't, this works for me right here. But if you can't, if you try to get your names into an array, and this is posted in Canvas. Let's see, where am I? Go back one. In week 6. Right here, if you want to download the old PowerPoint and see if you can't run through that. Remember how we condensed all this down? Let's see, there, this slide's a pretty good example. Well, we used a loop here, a loop and an array. But if you would like to use an array, remember the key is these square brackets. And place your names in that way, and then the function can call on the indexes of the array. You could condense your code down, and that would be pretty impressive. But if you can't, like I said, don't worry about it. This demonstrates that you know how to use a function, that you can call upon it multiple times, and you understand those concepts. So go ahead and give it a try and have fun.